In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a wish list to your Shopify store using the Wishlist Plus app in just 2 minutes. Whether you're looking to enhance your customers' shopping experience or simply want to offer more personalized options, adding a wish list is a fantastic way to boost engagement and potentially increase sales. So let's get started. First, you'll need to install the Wishlist Plus app. To do this, navigate to the Shopify App Store and type in Wishlist Plus by Swym Corporation in the search bar. Once you find the app, click on the Install button. The installation process is straightforward and only takes a few moments. This app integrates seamlessly with your Shopify store, ensuring a smooth and efficient setup. After the installation is complete, it's time to customize the wishlist button. This step is where you can let your creativity shine and really tailor the wishlist features to match your store's branding. You can choose to modify the icon, pick the perfect color scheme, and even decide on the placement of the button. Whether you prefer it as a floating button or as a part of your main navigation menu, the flexibility here means you can adjust the settings to best suit your store's layout and style. Next, let's talk about where you want this wishlist button to appear on your site. Imagine how your customers will navigate through your store. Consider placing the button on product pages and collection pages. This strategic placement ensures that customers have easy access to their wish list at crucial decision-making points, encouraging them to save items they're interested in and potentially revisit them later for purchase. Once you've configured everything, it's wise to double-check your work. Use the Shopify theme editor to preview the changes you've made. This tool is incredibly handy as it allows you to see exactly how the wish list will look to your customers, offering a chance to make any last-minute tweaks. Take a moment to ensure that everything appears as you intended. The colors align with your brand, the button is in the correct position, and the overall functionality is smooth. Finally, when you're satisfied with your setup and you've confirmed via the preview that everything looks spot on, it's time to publish these changes. By doing this, your wish list will go live, and your customers will be able to start adding items to their lists, enhancing their shopping experience on your site. And there you have it. Your very own wish list is now a part of your Shopify store. This not only adds value to your customer's journey, but also sets the stage for increased interaction and sales. Thank you for watching, and happy selling with your newly added wishlist feature.